Okay, it's on. Hello everybody, my name is Colton here. And today I'm showing you something that I got. It's a fidget spinner! So yeah, it's a fidget spinner. Mine is actually a bit slow. I don't know why though. But let me spin it. 1 second, guys. I'm trying to balance it. I've used other people's fidget spinners, but yeah, so I'm just showcasing my fidget spinner. It's white and red. So yeah. Nice little fidget spinner. Okay guys. Bye. Like and subscribe and comment. Please, if you're like a big brand, please sponsor me. I really want to sponsor.